Bitcoin operates on a foundation that's radically different from traditional currencies, relying on a decentralized network, a secure public ledger technology, and clever cryptography to function. Here's a closer look at how it all works. The power of decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by central banks, Bitcoin boasts a decentralized network. This means there's no single entity overseeing transactions or governing the money supply. Instead, a vast network of computers around the world, known as nodes, validates and records transactions on a public ledger called the blockchain. Each node maintains a copy of the entire transaction history, ensuring everyone agrees on the validity of each Bitcoin in circulation. This eliminates the need for a central authority and fosters transparency within the network. The immutable blockchain ledger. At the heart of Bitcoin's functionality lies the blockchain, a continuously growing record of all transactions. Envision a chain of blocks, where each block stores a batch of transactions and a unique cryptographic hash that links it securely to the previous block. This sequential chaining creates an irreversible timeline, making it extremely difficult to tamper with past transactions. If someone attempts to alter a block, it would invalidate the hash of all subsequent blocks, alerting the network to the inconsistency. This robust system safeguards the integrity of transaction history and fosters trust within the network, securing the network through mining. The process of introducing new Bitcoins into circulation and securing the network is called mining. Miners are essentially high-powered computers competing to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to crack the code gets rewarded with a set amount of Bitcoin and the privilege of validating the next batch of transactions. This validation process involves verifying the legitimacy of each transaction, such as ensuring the sender has sufficient funds and the transaction is properly signed with their digital signature. Once validated, the transactions are bundled into a new block, which is then added to the blockchain. Mining not only distributes new Bitcoins, but also serves as a security measure. The computing power required to solve the puzzles discourages fraudulent activity, as attempting to tamper with the blockchain would require immense resources and computational power. Making transactions with Bitcoin. Sending and receiving. Bitcoin involves broadcasting a transaction signed with your digital signature to the network. This digital signature is linked to a cryptographic key pair, where one part, public key, is used to receive Bitcoins, and the other part, private key, is critical for signing transactions and proving ownership. Think of it like a two-factor authentication system for your Bitcoin holdings. Miners then scrutinize the transaction, verifying your digital signature and ensuring you have sufficient funds to complete the transfer. Once validated, the transaction is incorporated into a new block on the blockchain, storing your Bitcoins securely. Unlike physical bills or coins, Bitcoins themselves don't exist in a tangible form. Instead, they are stored in digital wallets that hold your private keys. These wallets come in various forms, from software wallets installed on your device to hardware wallets that offer a more secure offline storage option. It's crucial to remember that whoever holds the private keys essentially controls the associated Bitcoins. Safeguarding your private keys is paramount to protecting your digital assets. Understanding. Bitcoin's intricacies can take time, but hopefully this explanation provides a clearer picture of the core mechanisms that drive this innovative digital currency.